Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see from the title above, I will be doing my rice water hair treatment. So as you can see, I am taking rice out of the container. So right now I'm taking 2 teaspoons out of the container because that's really all you need. You don't need a lot of rice to get rice water because you don't need rice water to be too concentrated because it messes up with your hair. So that's that. So I took 2 teaspoons. Walk, 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 walk. Here we go. Now we're back in the sink. So now we're back in the sink. As you can see, I'm running the water. So I put some water in there to rinse it out because, you know, you can't use dirty water. Ew, that's nasty. You don't want dirty water in your hair. Not dirty water, dirty rice. You don't want dirty rice in your hair, do you? No. But anyways, as you can see, I'm rinsing the rice. Have to get all of the dirt out of the rice, just, you know, for clean purposes. So what I'm doing right now, come on Stacy, speed it up, speed it up. We just don't want that dirty water in my hair. We just don't want that. So after you rinse it, that's when you pour the rice into the container. So you have to find a container that can seal very, very tightly so that it can get fermented overnight. So right now, as you can see, I'm pouring a little bit of water in the container. I didn't measure the amount of water that I put in there, but you guys should put a cup of water in there, which is best. A cup of water for every 2 teaspoons. So it's not too concentrated for the hair. I believe I put more than a cup though, but it will do the job. So now, as you can see, I am sealing the container. And as I seal the container, that's when you have to put it in a dark area, because as you put it in a dark area, it helps it ferment a lot faster. So make sure you find a dark area. Okay, and that's that. And now you see me the next day. I wish I had energy, but like I just came home and it's nighttime. But you guys saw the beginning of my video. I just finished putting the shampoo and conditioner in my hair. So now it's about like 23 hours later, and this is my fermented water, well, rice water. And remember, you can do this. Jesus. Right. We just had some complications, y'all, but I'm back and I'm better. Okay, so like this is the fermented rice water. And it's been 23 hours, and like I was saying, like you can do this treatment many ways. How you gonna throw my bear? I mean my monkey. Y'all can say hi. Say hi to Chase. Okay, but you can do it in many ways. You can boil the water, so you have to make sure you rinse the rice first. So make sure you rinse the rice to get rid of any dirt. And then that's when you can put the rice in a pot and boil it with water, and then you can use that water, or you can put it in the bottle like this and still put it in a dark spot and then use it again. There's just different ways that you can do it. So that's that. So right now it's been about like I said, 23 hours, and now I'm about to put it in here where I can spray it onto my hair. So before you put it on your hair, you have to make sure you shampoo and condition first. Shampoo and condition first, and then you put it in your hair for about, you can put it in for 20 minutes, an hour. Just try to put it in for at least 30 minutes. So if I had a, what is it called, funnel, whatever, that would be best. This is gonna spill everywhere. Let's see. Oh shoot. Alright, so I just poured everything in there. So don't mind my hair. Like I said, I just shampoo and conditioned it. And you know, natural ladies, when you take your hair out after you condition, it looks a little bit dry. So like, wait. I hope you're not. Y'all can't even see it. I can't even see my hair right now. Okay, y'all don't need to see it anyways, because it looks crazy. Yeah, my hair looks crazy right now. Shrinkage. Don't look at me right now. So next you just put this in your hair. Spray it everywhere. You just spray the rice water all over your hair. And this spray bottle don't work well. Right now we're having complications where this is not spraying well enough on my hair. So we're gonna transfer into here because it's not working. Got it. So this works better. So you just spray it. There we go. Spray it all over your hair. Move your laptops away. Move everything away that doesn't like water. All right, so rice water is good for a lot of things. It's good to stop your hair from breaking. It's good to when it comes down to moisturizing your hair. It's good for hair growth. You know, it's good for a lot of things actually. And rice water has a lot of vitamins, like amino acids. It has a lot of vitamin E. It has a lot of good things for your hair, really. So like I recommend that you guys do try to incorporate the rice water treatment into your hair regimens and different things like that. Incorporate it into like what you do for your hair monthly, or if it's weekly, then weekly. I can kind of see my little fro. It's bigger than this. Y'all know how natural hair works. Shrinkage. Y'all don't even try to play with me right now. My hair is longer than this. My hair is way longer than this. But y'all know how shrinkage works. Well, that's if you have natural hair. So make sure y'all spray this everywhere. When I say everywhere, I don't know how long you can keep rice water, because you know, like rice water, like if you leave it for a long time, it starts to smell. So I'll probably do some more research on it, and I'll put a note over there to show y'all if y'all can like put rice water in the fridge, because like right now, as you can see, I still have rice water in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to only use it for that day, because rice water, like I said, does get a little old. So rice water, like I said, can also serve as a conditioner. So like right now, like since I have very, very dry hair, I use it to condition my hair as well. All right. I'm like, damn, my lips about dry as a beer. But okay, so I just put, as you can see, I just put a shower cap on just to really get it in there. And so if you guys do this little rice water treatment, try to leave it in your hair for at least 30 minutes. That's my goal, for me to leave it for at least 30 minutes to an hour right now. And yeah, I hope you guys really do this treatment, because it really does help your hair grow, and it also moisturizes your hair. So yeah, that's how you do the rice water treatment. If y'all have any questions, make sure you comment that down below for sure. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like my video, of course, if you liked it. And if you guys have any other things that you guys want me to post, make sure you let me know what you guys want me to post. Other than that, it's time for me to go for sure. Kisses.